In this video, you'll learn how to stake Algorand on Binance. This process allows you to earn rewards on your Algo holdings by participating in the staking program offered by the platform. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to stake your Algorand efficiently and monitor your rewards. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the wallet section located in the main menu. Here, you will find your spot balance displayed prominently. It is essential to ensure that you have Algorand, commonly referred to as ALGO, available in your spot wallet. If you notice that you do not currently hold ALGO, you will need to purchase it through the spot trading feature before proceeding to stake. Additionally, confirm that your balance meets the minimum staking requirement set by Binance. Next, locate the Earn section in the main menu. This area is designed for users interested in earning rewards on their cryptocurrency holdings. Once you are in the section, you can search for Algorand among the available staking or simple earn products. Select the staking option specifically for Algorand. It is important to review the details regarding the available lockup periods, as well as the estimated annual percentage yield associated with staking Algo. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before making a commitment. When you are ready, enter the amount of Algo you wish to stake. After entering the desired amount, confirm your staking subscription by reviewing all the details presented on the screen. Once you confirm, your staked Algo will automatically move from your spot wallet to your Earn wallet. This transition indicates that your Algo is now actively participating in the staking process. Rewards from staking will be distributed based on the staking schedule set by Binance, which you can monitor directly from the Earn dashboard. It is advisable to regularly check your earnings as they accumulate. If your staking option includes a lockup period, be aware that you will need to wait until this period ends to redeem your staked Algo. If you have chosen a flexible staking option, you may be able to redeem your Algo according to the terms specified. Keeping track of your staking status and the rewards earned will help you make informed decisions about your investments. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.